In this little color mixing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mix beautiful grey with acrylic paint. So the easiest way to mix grey is to use white and then slowly mix in a little bit of black. And then mix it very well together. Beautiful. And now let's add a little bit of white to make it even lighter. And a bit more of white. Okay, so here I had a little bit much of the grey base color, and our new grey turned out pretty much the same as before. So I removed a little bit, and now see what a lovely light grey we are getting. And in order to mix a grey that is even darker than our dark grey here, we have to use a little bit more of the black. But please be careful with the black, because otherwise you will quickly end up with very dark colors. So let's use a bit more of the black this time. Let's see where we end up with this. Yeah, beautiful. And do you want it to be even darker? Let's try it out and mix in some more of the black. And sometimes these greys, which are mixed just from black and white, can look a bit flat and chalky. So what you can do in order to bring them to life is to mix in a tiny bit of orange. So let's try that out. And do you see how our greys instantly get a lot warmer and come to life in an absolutely beautiful way? And let's mix in even a bit more of the orange in order to turn our mix into an even warmer grey. Just a tiny bit is usually enough. Lovely. What do you think? So let's do the same thing with our lighter version. Again, a little bit of orange, just a tiny bit mixed in. And this is turning into a creamy kind of color. I wouldn't call this one grey anymore, but absolutely beautiful. I'm going to try out to mix in a bit of this more grayish color here, so we get something in between. Yes, and this is really a perfectly balanced warm grey, which I absolutely adore. Beautiful. And these are all the colors you need in order to paint a lovely little elephant, which doesn't need to look beautiful, but which will bring you a lot of joy. Just go for it. And don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.